We're coming to you live from Harlika Park Restaurant. This is On Cue episode 3. We have a special guest for tonight. Before I go there, let me say hi to all the viewers. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Thank you for bearing with us. We had a little bit of delay in our live telecast today. This is, by the way, the third episode of On Cue, together with Ting Talk Show. And we have a special guest tonight. Okay, let me bring it up on screen. Before that, let me introduce first as well my co-host for this evening, of course, from Ting Talk Show. Please welcome Miss Christine Olase.
Yes.
All right.
Hi, good evening, guys.
Good evening, everybody. And of course, to give us like a brief intro about the guests we have for this evening, I'm pretty sure you have a profile about them, so do the honors, please. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Okay, so our guest for this evening is yon, syempre nakita na natin sa they are a band here in Doha, and Pinoy band, syempre,
Yes.
Love Your Own, and ang isa na lang naman sila sa mga laging stay sa ating top 10 most requested songs sa Kabayan Radio.
Walang bola yan, ha?
Wala.
Walang bola.
Nakita ko lang sinerch ko kanina.
Okay.
And they have a couple of songs already, and I believe they already also launched their first anniversary concert, like just a mini concert, and they have kasi bago pa lang sila, a few songs, original songs,
Okay.
and ang pinaka-excited akong malaman, of course they've been featured in a lot of magazines, the Global Filipino Magazine,
Wow.
and I believe sa ilang mga pahayagan din dito sa Doha, and they've performed also in Philippine Independence Day both last
Dahil
year
mo
and
alam,
this year. Diba? At saka
Alright.
ang pinaka gusto ko yan yung sa Wish
107.5, which is really one of the, I would say, most coveted na mga bands na mapunta doon.
Sure.
Right?
That's
Okay, without further ado, please welcome Blank Boulevard in the house. Yes.
Hello.
Magandang gabi, mga kaibigan. Why do you guys introduce yourselves? Sige.
I'm Chris. I'm the lead guitarist.
Okay.
Jerome here on drums.
Drums and
It's Mike, yung taga-kanta po nila.
yun. Why don't you get closer to the microphone? Kaya ba? Okay, sige. Para mas marinig tayo. Okay. Sige. My first question would be, Nax. Before we go on, we wanted to thank, by the way, the sponsors of this event for tonight, SGE Media Company, Maharlika Park Restaurant, and Manux to Go, also World Travel Tours. Okay. And of course, Ting Talk Show. Thank you for being with me tonight.
Thank you.
All right. Blank Boulevard. Why Blank Boulevard?
Mike.
Of all the band names, bakit Blank Boulevard naisip nyo?
Unang tanong pa lang. Pinapasa mo na.
Sige, I'm pretty sure this is the question that most people would be asking, not just me. Diba? Bakit Blank Boulevard?
It's a band decision. Kasi
Okay.
before, nung nag-isip kami ng pangalan ng band,
Okay.
nagbigay kami ng mga name
Options. I see.
options ng
Okay.
band. Actually, magaganda naman, pero nagbotohan kami.
Oh.
And we came up with this name, Blanco.
Okay. Ilan kayo sa band? Muna?
Actually, wala yung dalawa.
Dalawa.
Lima
So
kami.
you're 5. So when you were building the band, 5 na talaga kayo, or were there other like previous members?
We are really 5.
I see. So you stuck together.
Yes, yes.
Kailan na-form yung band nyo?
2000.
19 forgotten. What was it?
So it was way back in May 2020.
May 20...
22.
COVID?
2020.
Ah, no.
Yeah.
Tapos na?
Post-COVID.
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 Okay. So,
Recovering.
bakit yun naisip magbuo ng band?
Bakit nga ba?
Actually,
Good
sa akin
question.
personally, that time nga,
Aha.
post-COVID, tapos nagre-recover pa lang yung
Mga tao.
and then, ako, napasama ako sa isang music group
Okay.
page actually dito sa Qatar. So, there was an invitation na post in social media. So, kasi ako gumagawa ko ng mga covers.
I see.
So there was an invitation na bumuo, and then doon ako na-intrigue kasi kailangan mga original songs.
I see. Okay. When you're forming a band, usually dalawa, tatlo muna yan, di ba? And then eventually you would ask somebody else, may expertise, for example, maghanap tayo ng bassist, maghanap tayo ng guitarist, maghanap tayo ng drummer. Who were the first who were in the group? Or talagang lima na kayo?
Kami, mga original kami.
Okay, kayong tatlo.
And then isa namin, si Genesis, yun.
Okay.
Original yun. So,
I see.
pumasok lang din si Mario, yung fifth member namin.
I see.
On the, along the way.
Pinakahuli si Mario.
I see.
Usually, merong invitation na parang magja-jam kami.
Okay.
Mga jams.
Tapos, yun, nagkita-kita kami. Tapos,
Total strangers talaga.
Oh, ang ganda yung mga ganung humble beginnings. So usually, as far as I know, yung mga bands na ganito, usually they would be like in a gathering of bands. May mga session gabi-gabi. And then dun na makikilala yung ibang bandmates nyo. Right? Nangyayari yung mga ganun. But in your case, kayo ba yung nag-approach dun sa last two members? Or nakita nyo din sila somewhere na nagpe-perform din?
Bali, original talaga na nag-meet up. And then...
Naguguluhan na ako dito.
First time lahat.
First time.
Oh, okay.
Nakakatuwa naman.
Ano yung common ground nyo? Kasi it's difficult to be like 5 different individuals. You have different preferences in terms of music. You have different influences as well.
Yeah, that's
I'm assuming.
common ground.
So, ano yung common ground nyo as a band?
Ang aim siguro ng bawat isa sa amin yung makabuo ng isang original.
I see.
Yung mga original songs talaga,
original songs.
yun
Okay.
yung namin. Kahit ako, yun yung nagustuhan ko dun
I
na,
see.
yung sa...
Original songs.
Original.
And the first song you had, which was played in Kabayan Radio 94.3, which hit the charts, I would say. Ano yung song na yun?
Spill mo na.
Yung ang sasagot niya yung compose.
Yung Miss Blanco ba?
Kami sa Okay.
Miss Blanco.
Sige na.
Yeah.
Ano yung
Miss Blanco.
Yung Miss Blanco
Miss
yun
Blanco.
sa Under Blanc Boulevard.
Is there like a backstory with that song?
Actually, kasi yun very old song na. Ang nangyari kasi sa amin, since mga bago kami and may mga experience sa bands, so nagkaroon kami ng mga contributions ng mga
I see.
original songs. So,
Who wrote the song, by the way?
sa band ko yun eh.
Band mo. So you have a different band before you...
It was, yun nga, mga 20 years ago na yun. Nung mga
20 years ago? Wow!
2000.
So na-stuck na yung kantang yun sa baul.
Oo.
Ngayon lang nahalungkat.
Nakakatawa
Okay.
naman.
That's a good thing kasi at least when you have it produced and you were able to air it in Kabayan, a lot of people appreciated the music, right?
Yeah.
Madaming bumoto sa kanya. So ibig sabihin, may mga taong nakaka-relate sa kanta nyo.
Oo. As I recall lang, Puppy Love.
Wow!
Ay, meron
Pag-ibig sa tuta.
And actually, sa sobrang tagal niyang nakatago sa baul, nagbago yung isip niya. Dati kasi ang totoo, hindi siya joke. Mr. Blanco talaga yung niya.
I see.
Mr. Blanco.
Okay.
So,
Babae
kasi yung
vocalist kasi.
Okay. Okay. Now,
Alright.
is it the first time you said that story here? Or alam na ng ibang
hindi
tao?
natin nasabi yan sa ibang interview.
Makes a special now. Yeah. Okay, Miss T, may tanong ka ba sa kanila?
Ayan, so bukod sa'yo, sino pa ang composer sa band?
Yung
So,
gumagawa ng
yung second
kanta.
song, yung sayo. Sa akin.
Sa'yo, okay, sa'yo yung sa'yo.
Actually,
I love that track, actually. I listen to that.
lahat
Yeah.
talaga Lahat talaga kami. It's just
Wow.
that gusto lang namin bigyan ng chance yung bawat isa na
I see.
ilabas yung kanta nila. So nauna si Jerome, then ako
Okay.
yung next. Ngayon si Chris yung
I see.
pinakabago namin na maririnig niyo mamaya.
I see.
Tapos next
Loving Heaven.
yung namin, yung bassist or next naman yung kay Jerome.
Saan kayo humuhugot ng inspirasyon sa paggawa ng kanta?
Hirap yan
Maalaala mo kayo. Yeah. Kasi there could be like some sort of inspiration, right? Before you do anything. Diba? Meron kayong laging inspirasyon.
Ito yung sayo kasi, yun yung emotional.
Emotional.
Sa babay.
So yung pinagdaanan sa ko. I'm curious, ano yung mga inspiration nyo para magsulat kayo ng kanta?
Sa akin kasi, to be honest lang, hindi talaga ako
Writer.
composer.
rather.
Actually, nag-compose lang ako nung naging member ako ng band.
I see. Okay.
I love singing, pero yung pagko-compose, never ko talaga siya ginawa. At
Never mo siyang,
never ko siyang even try.
I see.
Wow.
Interesting.
Kasi masyado silang magagaling sa composing. So parang I have to be
Kumbaga,
one of the gang.
bumigay ka, anong tawag doon? Nag-give way ka sa mas may alam sa, mas expert sa field na yun.
Para at least maintindihan ko yung sinasabi lang na yung emotion,
I
yung
see.
huhugot ka ng ganito, ganyan. So,
Okay.
now I know.
Okay. How old were you when you first touched an instrument? Ikaw?
Me, siguro, mga 10 years old.
10 years
siguro.
old.
Wow.
Okay.
Pero until now, ang alam ko is basic lang talaga. Kasi hindi naman talaga ako nag-pursue sa instrument.
Instruments. How about you? Ilang taon ka nung una mong...
Yun.
May iba sana lalabas sa bibig ko.
Ilang taon na si Miss Blanco?
Hindi,
Okay.
yung unang hawak ko talaga yung mga yun, grade 6 ako nun.
12 years old, mga ganun.
Yung una mong slap.
So, yun, mga dalawang gitara yung nabasag ko.
Bakit? Bakit mo
Wala
nabasa?
na. Mga biging clumsy lang.
I
nalalag
see.
lang.
I see.
So, grade 6, so mga 12 yun.
I see. Apart from your gigs sa mga club and then your tawag dito, interviews, ano yung mga regular work nyo sa buhay? You don't have to mention the company. Yung mga ginagawa nyo lang.
Ako, I work as a QHSE supervisor.
Wow, mapera to. Ikaw?
Nasa finance, private.
Mapera din.
Nagbibilang lang.
Pera din.
Ikaw.
Ako naman sila yung customer namin sa retail.
Mas mapera to. Okay, wow. How do you strike a balance between being in a band at the same time doing your regular work? Kasi mahirap yun, di ba? It's very demanding.
Oo, napakahirap kasi schedule sa work.
Yun, una na yun.
Tapos yung
schedule.
yung mag-sipra ka ng mga cover song. Yun. So, nag-decision kami kung anong araw. Minsan nakaka-cancel din. Minsan dapat talaga mag-attend. Yun. Usually, once a week, nagpa-practice kami.
I see, I see.
Nice.
Once a week na practice?
Once a week. Pero balita ko, di ba, kayo yung nag-organize nung inyong parang anniversary concert. So, how was that? Kayo na yung nag-produce, nag-practice, nag-organize. Saka saan yung ginanap nga pala to?
It was in Tawar Mall yun.
Tawar.
Mall, isang restaurant.
So, kamusta naman ang inyong organization?
Yeah, I guess mga na-meet naman namin yung mga nung nagkaroon kami ng checklist noon. So, I guess mga 85% successful.
Wow.
That's still a success. When you say
Na-meet namin
85%.
yung number of guest na
I
ina-expect
see.
namin.
I see.
Pero mahirap din kasi prepare kami, 2 months kami nag-prepare. Tapos kasi marami pang yung list ng kanta, tapos kasi yung lahat ng instrument sa amin, amplifier, drum sa amin lahat.
I see. Mahirap talaga sa band kasi magastos din, di ba?
Oo.
Sa mga yung mga doon, mga gamit, mga amp, di ba? Okay. So, hindi kayo kumukuha ng pera.
They actually sa anniversary namin, marami kami nakuhang sa support sa mga supporters namin mismo.
Lalo na.
Lalo na sa BB Armies.
Yun ang tawag, BB Armies.
Shoutout sa inyo.
I see. Okay.
Kaya kami nagtutuloy-tuloy dahil sa kanila.
Ang BB Armies ba dito lang sa Doha o
All over the world.
All over the
Actually,
world.
talagang almost lahat ng bansa.
Wow.
Hindi naman
That's amazing.
hindi naman lahat, pero yung bansa na alam natin meron talaga.
That's amazing. Okay. Punta tayo sa exciting the part.
Yeah.
Okay. Ano yung experience nyo dun sa Wish 107.5?
Yun.
Ano yung I would say, something that would leave a very good memory of that gig sa Wish 107.5? Ano yung ano yung tipong hanggang ngayon ninanamdam nyo pa din?
Apparently, wala ako dun. Nagamay lang yung picture mo.
Okay.
Hinihintay ko siya sumagot, di ba?
Wala ko.
Wala ka doon kasi because you're not available.
Oo, kasi
I see.
biglaan
I
eh. Alam mo
see.
naman sa atin dito.
Take it away.
Okay. Sige, yung ando na lang, kayong dalawa.
Siyempre sa akin, una-una, hindi ako makapaniwala na matutuloy pala yung wish.
Yeah.
Your wish come true.
Yes. Actually, it was made possible by SGA Media Company with the big help
Yes.
of Mr. Israel Gonzalez. Sky! Ayun.
Oh.
Okay. Ikaw, Mikoy, ano yung tipong hanggang ngayon?
Ako naman actually
daydream ka pa.
hindi talaga nagsisink in sa akin eh.
Hanggang ngayon.
Until nung makita ko yung bus na paparating.
I see.
Nung nakita ko siya, eto na to, totoo na to. Pero actually, pagpasok namin sa loob, wala na eh. Parang normal na. Para sa akin, normal na eh. Hindi na ako, walang kaba, parang jam lang.
May papanoorin ako sa inyo. Tingin kayo sa screen. Okay. Ito yung gig nyo doon sa tawag dito. Yan. Yan yung gig nyo doon. Tikita nyo?
Oh.
Ano, kwento mo sa akin, ano nangyayari dyan sa loob ng bus? Nagpa-practice muna kayo?
Nagpapakit po si Chris dyan. Tumitingin sa bintana.
Ayun. Pero yung time na to, saan ba to ginawa? Sa may Araneta. Kasi doon siya nakapark sa labas. Okay. And then sa loob, ilan lang, sobrang late lang siya, no?
Oh, maliit lang sa loob.
Ayun. Was there
Compact.
I see. May RJ doon sa loob to conduct an interview? Meron. I see.
Yun nga, nakalimutan na picture.
I see. Okay, tapos, tawag dito, yung nag-test ano rin kayo? Ang tawag doon?
Oo, nag-rehearse man.
Rehearse muna kayo bago yung live performance niyo.
Nagulat nga ako kasi ang usapan, di ba, no? Sound check lang na, ano. Pero pinabuo nila yung kanta para.
I see. Okay. Masaya, no? Ayan, may mga picture pa ba? I-pull up ko ulit sa screen. Ayan.
Maganda yung feeling kasi may mga tao sa labas.
So, rinig din siya sa labas.
Oo,
Meron siyang sound system.
Nag-live sila sa radio pati.
So, nakapark lang siya all the while na...
Nakapark siya, tapos yun nga, naririnig talaga nila yung tunog sa labas. At the same time, naririnig talaga nila yung live na yon sa buong bansa kasi naka-air
Nationwide,
talaga.
air.
I see. Sino yung iba pang kasama niyo dito who were a replacement for him since hindi siya nakapunta doon?
Hindi ko nakuha yung pangalan niya.
Nagtatago na po sila.
Parang tipong passerby lang, no? Oh, marunong ka tumugtog. Tara, punta tayo sa show ng 7.5.
Sobrang biglaan talaga. Sobrang bigla. Pero later on, babanggitin po namin yung pangalan nila.
Yeah, huwag niyo makakalimutan. Kasama sila sa
Kasi,
tagumpay niyo.
kundi
Tropa kasi yan ni Mario.
I see.
Kundi dahil sa kanila, hindi rin matutuloy yun kasi biglaan. So, ibig sabihin talaga, magagaling talaga sila.
Did you feel like nervous when you were inside?
Yes, of course.
Kung 1 to 10 na level, nasa ang level?
Siguro nasa 7.
7. Kasi nandun pa rin yung confidence nyo, that you're a performer.
Di ba, Mike, parang may ubo ka pa ba noon?
Ayun ang kinakatakot ko talaga.
Mas inubo siya nung araw na yun.
Kasi week before palang mag-flight, sinasabi ko na sa kanila na baka ma-cancel kasi
Oh, I see.
kasi meron pa kaming gig nung
Oh, before that.
before that may gig kami. Talagang hindi ako makakanta. As in, 'di ba, yung boses ko.
Hindi siya makanta pero 8 song yung kinanta.
Oo nga pala, speaking of, ilan yung kinanta nyo sa loob ng Wish Bus?
2 lang.
Dalawa lang,
Oo,
I see. Would you have an idea kung kailan siya i-release sa Wish? Because I think a lot of people are asking
Yeah.
about it.
Yeah.
Online. So, di pa kayo, depende sa kanila, sa
Oo,
management.
di ba?
Sige.
Depende.
So, yung mga nanonood po ngayon,
Yes.
just wait for it. It will be posted soon andun sa Wish 1075 page sa YouTube. At the same time, you will also have a copy of it, probably. Diba?
Yes.
Abangan nyo sa page ng Blanc Boulevard.
Blanc Boulevard.
And if we have a copy of it, of course,
Siyempre, share
ipopost
din natin
namin.
sa
Share
yes.
natin.
Pwede bang mag-shoutout?
Go ahead.
Si John Vier, masakit. Siya yung isa sa member
Ayun.
nung
Hello.
nung
Yun.
tumulong sa amin dun sa live sa Wish. Thank you, Tol.
Yun. Maraming salamat. Kasi kung hindi sa'yo, di mabubuo yung band. Temporarily. Okay. Pero I think it's a good, I would say, it's a good experience. Kaya
Yes.
replacement ka, no?
Oo. Oo naman.
Siyempre.
Wish Windows 7
Nanood
agad.
ka ng wish ba?
Missed talaga, missed opportunity.
Yeah.
Kaya,
It's actually, I would say, for all the young bands right now, that bus is one of, I would say, most
Yes.
sought out na opportunity sa kanila to perform inside the Wish bus. Say with so many viewers, with so many followers, and andun yung, I would say, platform for you to be known worldwide.
Correct. Makapagsabi
Diba?
lang ng click here.
Yes. Naganon ba kayo?
Naganon ba kayo?
Ay, wow!
Ang totoo, yun ang pinakamahirap.
sabi ni Miko, take 5 daw.
Kailan take
Ang dami namin take doon eh.
Pero
Sample.
tayo, ano?
Saka unfair pala pag vocalista ka. Ikaw yung susulong.
Ano yung may binabasa ka, ganon?
Meron nakatayo doon, meron kang babasahin. Tapos yung babati ka, tapos merong sasabihin na for more wishes.
Or,
Ang problema kasi, tatlo yung binasa.
Tatlo may
Tatlo
anniversary
eh.
pa
Meron
kasi.
silang anniversary.
Oh, I see. Okay. So, when you perform there, anniversary din ng Wish?
Hindi, bali nagpe-prepare na sila
12 yun,
ng,
anniversary yun, tol.
yung araw na yan.
Hindi sila nagkasundo.
sa dami ng binasa nila.
Iniipon nila yung mga magiging
Mga greetings. Okay.
para pagka actual na anniversary, baka ito.
I see. Okay. Wow.
So sure na
Amazing.
yun, kasi kasama pala sa anniversary greeting.
Madadaanan natin yan. Okay, so mga viewers natin, just watch out for it. It will be posted soon. And you just have to follow Black
Fingers
Boulevard on
crossed.
Facebook. Yeah, well, we have to always wish for the best, diba?
Yes.
Okay, and also, we're so proud of you guys kasi you're the first one to be sent there from Qatar,
Yes.
which is
thank
our
you.
second home,
Yes.
right? And then eventually, with the young bands and then so much talents we have in Doha, hopefully we could send another band there with the help of SG Media.
Yes.
Yes. I have a question for you. With so many bands na naglalabasan ngayon, do you somehow feel insecure na may mga bago tapos you feel like there's some sort of I would say intimidation ba tawag doon?
Pwede rin naman. Or on a positive
On a
note.
positive note, parang-
what sets you apart
Yeah.
from the new
From them,
bands
from new bands.
Hindi ko alam.
And that's it. Thank you for watching. Yeah, I know. There's always something about you na iniisip mo na mas advantage ka sa kanila, di ba? Kahit meron tayong palang self-reflection always that we thought of things na okay, magaling to, pero somehow I still have an edge over this person or this band. Ano yung naiisip niyo na tipong mas advanced kayo sa part na yun? Tingin mo.
Sa akin kasi, maraming mga magagaling talaga dito sa Doha.
Okay. Totoo yan.
As in, kasi we're almost 2 years, so marami kaming gig na marami talaga magagaling. Siguro dahil kami, tuloy-tuloy lang yung mga gig namin. Tsaka hindi kami naghiwalay, hindi kami
Okay.
nagpalit
Yun,
ng pangalan.
I see.
Yun siguro ang isang
I see.
Yun nga.
Saka yun nga, yung meron kasi kaming goal talaga na gusto naming i-pursue yung original song. At the same time, ang target namin talaga is yung hindi, bukod sa self-satisfaction,
Aha.
is to make sure na yung public is magugustuhan talaga yung
Okay.
kanta namin. And at the same time, siguro para sa akin as a band, ang pinaka advantage namin hindi talent, yung supporters namin.
Supporters. Okay.
Yun talaga.
Okay. Bigyan pa natin ng medyo mas mahirap na tanong. Kasi, I would say na I'm really impressed on how you have achieved so far from where you started like 2 years ago. Tama ba? 2 years ago.
2 years ago.
And then all of a sudden, nasa Wish na kayo. Not everyone's given that
Yeah.
opportunity. May madaming banda na they've been together for like 10 years, 15 years, but they never had a chance to show it on an international stage. Or might as well yung ganung platform, which is Wish. Ano sa tingin nyo yung mangyayari from here onwards with Blank Boulevard? Di ba? Mas hirap ito na?
Ano to, pang HR.
Ano daw yung future plans?
Ano yung future plan?
Dala ko ng neck.
Ano yung mga plans nyo from here onwards? Kasi andun na kayo. You're already at the pinnacle of being a band, di ba? Dapat meron na kayong after that. Ano yung ile-level up nyo pa? What will we
Basically,
expect?
yung andun talaga yung sa album. paggawa
album.
ng-
Oh, okay. That's a good one.
Yun yung una dun eh. And
Okay.
then,
Since the beginning, yun naman talaga yung goal namin, bumuo ng isang album. Tapos syempre makatugtog sa Wish. Tapos makaroon kami ng concert talaga.
Okay. We'll make it happen. We will make it happen.
May music video na ba?
Oh, yeah, good question.
Yeah.
May music video kayo doon?
Wala
Wala pa.
Actually, lagi namin napapag-usapan, pero hindi pa siya nangyayari. Pero siguradong mangyayari yun.
Okay.
Ayun.
Sige.
Haharap na tayo ng Miss
Sige.
Blanco.
We can make some arrangements with SG Media.
Yes.
Maybe we could help you with that one.
Let's go!
Okay. Ilan na yung mga original songs nyo pala? At the moment, ilan na yung original songs nyo?
Yung na-release sa 4 na eh.
4 na. But you still have like somewhere hidden.
Yes.
Somewhere hidden.
Hidden.
Sa baul. Somewhere kept.
Abangan niyo po, marami kami. Meron kaming upbeat, yung masaya. Meron naman na mapanakit.
Mas gusto yata na yung gano'n, mapanakit.
Abangan niyo po, marami kayong expect na magagandang song from us.
Kasi sa amin na Blank Boulevard, try namin yung iba-ibang genre.
Wow.
I see. Pero yung lahat ng genre ng music, alin yung tipong pinaka-komportable kayong tugtugin, gumawa ng areglo, i-produce?
Actually, initially talagang alternative band kami.
Okay.
So, yun talaga yung pinaka-comfortable namin genre. And if you listen talaga, kahit anong kanta namin talaga, lagi nandun yung touch ng alternative
Yeah, yeah.
at yung signature ng band
I see.
nandun talaga.
Let's talk about OPM. Which OPM band
Yun?
do you like most? Band to band.
Iba,
Yeah.
iba-iba sa akin kasi I like Wolfgang.
Okay. That's actually a good choice. What else? Medyo may pagka-hardcore pala to.
Nagulat nga ako eh.
So I was thinking like Eraserheads, River
Correct,
Maya,
correct.
Parokya. Okay. Wolfgang.
ako, yung mga alternative pa rin na OPM. E-Heads,
E-Heads.
River Maya, yun
River
ang
Maya.
talagang
Ako kasi dalawa talaga eh. E-Head saka Wolfgang. Yun talagang
Mga
pinapakita ko.
taong nalo. You know, that's actually one track I've seen. It was a part of the movie, the soundtrack of the movie, yung Aswang.
Okay.
It was it's a really good one. Are they still together nowadays? Yung Wolfgang. Hindi na, no?
They are together actually, pero
Hindi na nagpa-perform.
performing together,
Performing pa rin.
pero hindi sila nag-release nung
I see.
more on events or concerts sila.
I see. Okay. All right. So we'll take a quick break, and after short break, we'll be having the band perform a song. Yung muna sasabihin ko kayo na
Yeah,
ba yung mag-introduce
kayo na
mamaya?
bahala. Yes.
Okay. So you guys stay where you are, right here on Q, together with Ting Talks, Black Boulevard, everybody.
Take a break. We'll be right back. Welcome back.
Ikaw muna.
And yes, we're back here live on Q together with Ting Talks. And of course, we have Black Boulevard. Thank you for the nice music earlier. What were the titles again of those songs you just played?
It's a cover song from Jordan Feliz,
I see.
Beloved.
Ang ganda yun.
And,
Gusto ko yung kantang yan.
Oo, ako din.
Okay.
Yan. Heaven Knows.
Heaven
from,
Knows.
Orange and Lemons.
Yeah, yeah.
Lahat yan ay mas mga usually mga requested talaga sa
I see.
ng mga BBR mates.
Orange and Lemons with McCoy or without McCoy? Si Clint lang yun.
This is with
Oh, with okay. Because I only remember them during McCoy's time. Tapos di ba nag-disband, and then Clint was actually the one now leading
Exactly.
Orange and Lemons. Okay, madami ng shoutout ngayon. We have to go through our social media, or I would say Facebook, and then go ahead, Miss Ting.
Ayan,
We have
so,
lots of greetings.
yeah,
Maraming salamat po.
Yes, Kylene Kate Mendoza, beloved, one of BB Army's
Wow.
favorite song, watching from Florence, Italy.
Wow.
Julianne Calusa, hello, Blanc Boulevard, watching from London.
Wow.
Ayan. Hazel Quesada, nire-request namin yan sa Kabayan Radio 94.3, watching from Seoul City BB Armies. Oh, di ba?
Nice.
Maria Rose Rodriguez, watching from Kuwait. Thank you for the song, beloved. And Alexa de Guzman, Team Doha naman sila, BB Armies. And then, tungo naman tayo sa USA, Mylene Santillan, Team Nurse sa San Francisco. Hello, Blanc Boulevard. And watching from Kuwait pa rin, Team Alzur, Jennifer Lynn Yap Vergara. And ayun, good morning mga taga.
Good morning.
na. Team BB Armies. Oo nga, morning na. From
Okay.
Seoul City pa rin.
Wow.
And happy weekend, Team BB Armies. Hello, Blanc Boulevard. From Team Oakland. O, diba? Katlea Selga. And hi nga po pala sa mga kasamahan natin sa social media watching Balmaceda Family Vlogs. And nakita ko si
Babiero.
DJ Babiero.
Yes, from Pinoy Heart Radio.
Oh, from
Also
Pinoy
to
Heart
Travel with
Radio.
McCoy, he also shared our Facebook Live. Maraming salamat.
Yun.
To everybody else watching right now, thank you so much for the support. To all the diners of Maharlika Park Restaurant, enjoying the music of Blanc Boulevard.
Thank
Order
you,
lang po
thank
kayo ng
you.
pagkain. Dagdagan nyo po. Okay, let's get back to the band because I wanna also have more questions. From here onwards, ano yung nakikita yung future ng mga bands dito sa Doha? Ano yung nakikita yung future ng mga bandang Pilipino dito sa Doha, Qatar?
Actually, hindi yung future eh. Ayun ang gusto namin. Ang gusto namin is marami pang band dito sa Qatar. Kasi
Wow.
marami talagang magagaling dito na banda.
I see.
Gusto namin sa kung ano yung napuntahan namin, marating din nila as much as possible.
Malagpasan.
Malagpasan kasi pride pa rin natin yun na Pilipino. dito sa
Yes,
Yes.
that's a nice answer. I love that.
True. And ano naman yung inyong magiging, if there's one advice that you could give, other aspiring bands, ano yung advice na yun?
That's all, mahirap na yung tinag.
Kaya pala nauuna siya sumagot.
Right.
I guess para sa akin no personally kasi yung alam mo yun yung mga previous bands ko way back in Philippines. Ang nakita ko lang talaga dito sa group is yung being yung commitment yun.
I see.
Kasi yun yung nag-fuel sa band para mag-continue kasi alam mo yun pag solid kayo tuloy-tuloy lang.
Tama. I agree.
Commitment,
I
yes.
agree. Pero mahirap din sa sitwasyon nila, especially if you're working at the same
Yeah.
time.
Yes.
Ayan, si Chris may sasabihin.
Yeah, enjoy lang talaga yung companion with each other. Tapos, bigay nyo lang yung best nyo. Tapos, honest lang sa, tropa.
Yung?
Huwag daw magdedekot ng talent fee. kung ano yung... Go ahead.
Ano siguro, para sa akin yung walang pagalingan.
Yeah,
Tatanggap ka dapat ng mga
Advices. Criticisms.
criticism, hindi lang papuri. And take it as a constructive criticism.
Oh, importante yun eh.
yun.
Speaking of criticisms, okay, paano nyo hinahandle yung mga ganun? Diba? With the social media world that we're in right now, hindi nila indirectly sasabihin sa'yo, but you can somehow see it
Yes.
sa mga comments, diba? How do you feel about it and how do you handle it? Yung mga detractors, kasi you're not everyone's cup of tea,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Hindi lahat ng tao magugustuhan ka eh.
Yeah.
At ganado, napagdaanan ko yan.
Ayun, no? Parang may...
You can please
Ngayon pa lang,
everybody.
Ako din.
may singit ko lang. Yung damit ko pala pwede ng walo.
Eh, parang nawawala ka kanina. Joke.
Dito lang ako bulaga. Okay, ano yung tanong ko? Ayun.
Yung-
How do you handle detractors? Yung mga bashers?
Sa
Kasi
amin
for
kasi,
sure ganun.
tumatahimik lang kami.
Okay.
Pinagkikwentuhan lang namin yan. Tawa-tawa na lang kami.
I see.
Never kaming sumagot or something sa mga criticism. Talagang let them be.
Let them be.
We will do our thing.
Okay. Ano yung pinaka-worst na labasan nyo? Gusto ko malaman eh. I'm intrigued. Ano?
Oo nga.
Yung pinaka-worst na somehow, sabihin na natin nonchalant kang tao. When you say nonchalant, wala kang pake. But still, you were affected by it. Somehow, subconsciously, naapektuhan ka sa nabasa mo.
Meron ba?
Sa nabasa kasi halos wala eh.
Wala. Narinig na lang. Most likely from other people. From other bands, perhaps. Kasi di may iwasan yan sa industriya, di ba? May mga tao talaga na pag nakikita kang umaangat, they would start pulling you down. That's crab mentality. It
Yeah.
happens not just for Filipinos, of course. It happens everywhere. So may mga ganong tao. So how do you handle that?
Kami kasi actually na nangyayari talaga yan. Pero ang ginagawa namin sa the other way around, pinapakita namin na nag-reach out kami na
Okay.
we're not different.
Okay.
Although nandito kami, we always make sure na sinasabi namin sa lahat na hindi nandito kami hindi dahil magagaling kami.
Okay. Nag-reach out kayo? That takes a lot of courage for you to reach out to someone that's bashing you. Huh?
To make them think na hindi naman kami mas magaling sa inyo.
Okay.
Kasi ang totoo, talagang marami mas magagaling.
Akala ko sabi, totoo, magaling talaga kami.
I think maybe time, yung merong right time for everything.
Okay.
Yun lang siguro.
I mean, you have to be proud of yourself at the same time kasi hindi lahat ng tao, as I've mentioned,
Yeah.
yung mga ibang banda, 10, 15 years na magkakasama, never given a chance to be in a bigger platform like
Yeah.
Wish, di ba? And then you have also songs which are topping the charts sa isang radio station dito sa atin. Sabihin ko, Nakabayan Radio,
Yeah.
di ba? So it's already an accomplishment and that also somehow, it reflects you as a band that you're actually doing great in your craft. Ginagawa niyo yung talagang by the book as a band and producing music, you're doing it correctly. Kasi kung hindi, wala
Yeah.
kayong supporters.
Totoo.
Right?
Agree.
Okay. So dapat somehow you should also have this somehow confidence sa sarili mo, sabihin mo na, yeah, we are good. Tama?
Yeah.
Tama. We may not be the best right now,
Yeah.
but we're trying to be the best.
At
We're
what
trying
we
to best
do.
every time
Yeah, every
we are
time.
given an opportunity to perform.
Totoo.
And nakakatuwa kasi merong nagsasalita ng para sa amin yung mga BB Armies.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
nice.
Sila na yung mga spokespersons namin.
Sila yung nag-aaway-aaway, no? Yung mga walang ambag sa buhay nyo. Sila yung apektado. Ay, baby armies. Ayan. Papalo nyo naman yung page namin. Ayan.
Kaya malaki yung respeto namin sa BB Armies kasi lahat sila meron silang common denominator na
Okay.
hindi sila yung makikipag-away sa social media.
Personal lang.
Hindi siguro kasi they take it from you eh. Kasi
Yeah,
diba
yeah,
since
yeah.
ganun din yung perception.
Yes.
Ganun din yung
wala ka talaga
nila.
makikita mga yung medyo negative na
Okay.
Yeah.
supporters, wala talaga.
So you lead by example kasi.
Go
Tama
BB
yun.
Armies. Yeah.
Tama naman yun. I would agree because it's actually a reflection. Your fans or your
Yeah.
supporters is also a reflection of you as a band. Diba? Kaya minsan yung mga matitinong artist nasisira dahil din sa fans. Diba?
Oo,
With
correct.
so much stir that they create in the community na minsan beyond and sometimes di mo na naman dapat sinasabi pa. But you know, they want to create something, a chaos out of some petty situations.
Totoo. At
Diba?
saka what I like about them is that parang may perception sila na they are always still in
Yes.
a work in progress.
Yeah.
Kasi pag hindi mo na nakikita na you're
Correct.
still a work in progress, wala nang leveling up eh. Di ba?
Pag naisip mo sa sarili mo na parang
Nandun ka na,
nandun na ako.
wala na.
I think that's also one of the reason why some artists retire from producing music and creating songs.
Totoo.
Kasi na-reach nila yung top.
Yeah.
Wala pa naman kayo doon.
Sobrang malayo pa.
So, malayo na, pero, ang tawag doon, malayo pa,
Pero papunta
Pero-
na.
Pero malayo na.
malayo pa, pero malayo na. I think that's the right words, I would say.
Medyo matanda na pero malayo.
Uy, hindi naman. Wag ganun.
I would say na in terms of music, walang edad. Right?
Totoo.
Di ba?
Yes.
Kasi ako,
John.
I'm actually, it may not reflect on my
Yeah.
personality, but I love classic music.
Yeah.
Yung mga 70s, 80s na love song, gustong-gusto ko yan. Habang naglalaba ka.
Naglalabat.
Hey, would you believe when I'm doing the laundry or I'm actually doing the vacuum sa
Per
kwarto?
kilo po ang sinili ni Chris.
Pinapakinggan ko Beatles. Yeah.
Paborito na namin yan.
Yun ang pinapakinggan ko. I don't know, there's just something about the song which
Yeah.
makes me, lively, 'di ba? Yung pagiging at saka may recall siya sa tenga mo, 'di ba? Ikaw, ano yung pinapakinggan mong music at yung past your pastime?
Ako kasi, baka hindi ka maniwala Boys to Men yung...
Oh, di ba? I also listen to Boys to Men.
Boys to Men, saka yung mga theater songs.
Because of Topi. Ayun. Batiin pala natin yung Topi. Hi, Christine Chi.
Yes.
Well, you also part of Topi before, di ba?
Before, yes.
So you also have this background of theater.
A little
bit.
lang.
Nagagamit mo ba siya dito sa band mo ngayon? Pag-acting.
Pagsasalita kasi hindi talaga ako nagsasalita.
As a frontman, you have to be adaptable in that situation.
Walang choice talaga.
I see. Okay, anyway, going back to my question. Ano yung pinapakinggan yung music? Ikaw, sabi mo, Boys to Men. Ikaw, sir?
Sa akin ba? Sa akin na theater din.
Theater din?
Dream Theater.
Oh, ikaw, sir?
Ako, wala akong time pero yung pinapakinggan ko yung line-up namin.
I see.
Sagutin mo.
Yung mga Ben and Ben.
Ben and Ben. That's actually good
That's
band.
nice.
Yeah, it's nice.
Mga,
Diba?
mga current na.
Yeah. Collective yun parang ideas. You have to be like immersed sa lahat ng genre for you to be creative in your craft kasi di ka pwedeng nakafocus sa isang genre lang.
Yes.
Diba? I mean also like hip hop sometimes. Tapos minsan naman rock music ako. Minsan naman love mellow music. Ganun.
Kaya kung makikita niyo kung i-check niyo yung mga page namin, yung mga covers namin talagang
Iba-iba.
wala siya talagang rock lang, walang love song lang.
Pero ano yung pinaka-identity nyo as a band?
Alternative.
Alternative
rock.
I see. Whenever you go to gigs, when you perform sa mga clubs dito, what is the usual impression of you sa mga tao?
Gigs.
Impression daw lang.
Impression ng mga nanonood. Ano yung feedback usually na nakukuha
Kami
niyo sa
loading
kanila?
ako.
Ayoko na nga magtanong. And that's it. Good.
I guess ano naman kasi namin din sa Get Up, ano din, nasa rock talaga
Okay.
yun. Pero yun nga, kung titingnan mo yung mga page, yung page namin, variety lang talaga.
Variety. Is it important that you dress up properly whenever you're performing? Or pupunta kayo doon parang bagong gising lang?
Siyempre, may impression yun. Create ng
I
impression
see.
yun.
I see. Okay, kasi may mga bands akong nakikita minsan parang last week pa naligo.
Meron kang ganon.
Di ba?
Ganun talaga.
Yung tipong parang
Actually,
dugyot.
costume yan nila, costume.
Costume nila yun.
Meron din yan.
Hindi din kasi may amoy din.
Ay ba na?
I mean, it's really important kasi especially with surroundings nowadays, di ba? Yung mga tao, they are so expressive, di ba? And you hear feedback not just from one side. Madaming angle points yan Pwedeng social media, pwedeng personal, right? And those feedback somehow it creates a narrative na ganito kayo. So dapat as a band, as a performer, you have to make sure that you set a good impression whenever you're on stage, di ba? You have to dress up properly. Hindi naman kailangan nakakurbata all the time, but something that's neat, that's tidy,
Yeah.
di ba? Yung iba kasi minsan pag nasa stage na, I would understand pagka ongoing yung performance, talagang magugulo lahat, right? Especially if it's a rock, alternative performance. Pero yung kakakit nyo pa lang sa stage, parang tapos na yung performance. Dapat yung medyo, di ba? Kasi it creates an impression as well to the audience. Okay. I'm pretty sure you are like that kasi nakita ko yung mga pictures nyo. Ganun yung mga suot nila.
Ano siguro, depende sa environment.
Yeah, of course.
Depende sa environment. Kasi merong mga bands dito na meron silang, like for example, hard session. Ano sila, kahit anong suotin mo.
Pero
Galing
that's
naman.
actually a place where bands meet.
Yes, yes.
Yun yung they would understand they actually know how to read the room kasi sila yun. We're talking about like say isang lugar na
Tama.
in-invite kayo mag-perform, right? I mean you should come up, you know.
Yes, yes. I agree.
Diba?
I agree.
Okay, all right. Ano pa? Miss Lee?
Ayun, speaking of, di ba, impression naman. So, ngayon, tanong ko na. Tanong ko naman, ano naman yung gusto nyong maiwan nyo sa
Na impression.
amin? Hindi, na legacy, kumbaga, ng inyong band. Diba? Kunyari, kung hindi naman sa pagwala na kayo. No, I mean like, ano yung gusto nyong maiwan na, ano ko ba?
What, ano yung magiging maaalala sa inyo ng tao?
Di ba?
10 years from now.
Yes, mga ganon. Yung
Facebook
mga
page
kabataan,
might be still around, di ba?
Di ba? Kasi like, Eraserheads, nandito pa rin sila.
Oo. So,
Alam
how
natin
many-
yung legacy
how long?
nila.
90s?
I don't know.
Thousands?
Kasi parang grade school pa ako noon.
For decades. For decades na sila.
Yeah.
But still in the music industry. And
Diba?
we're still doing, katapos yung mga younger generations, na-influence pa din nila ng tugtog nila.
Di ba? So, kayo,
Okay.
anong nakikita nyong gusto nyong maiwan sa
Ito
kanila?
naman.
Kasali ba ako dito? Hindi, para sa akin kasi simple lang, lalo na bilang OFW.
Yes.
Gusto naming iwan na parang kumbaga legacy is oo, nagpunta ka sa abroad para magtrabaho pero you can still chase your dream.
Yeah.
Yun.
Your happiness while providing to your family.
Okay.
Ayun.
And that is making good quality music.
Yes,
Yes.
that's nice.
That's nice.
Okay, I have one hard question. Ito kasi yung ano eh.
Mapawisan.
Ito kasi yun eh. If you were given a chance, may isang record company, isang
Yun,
label
no?
company, lumapit sa inyo, but you have to drop your work, yung regular work. Sabihin nila, mag-focus kayo dito, this is what we're gonna do, ito yung project. Would you take it at this point, at this level?
Para sa akin, hindi.
Bakit?
Kasi first things first is my family.
Okay.
Ito kasi trabaho, ito na to eh. Ito na yung bumubuhay sa family ko. And I'm syempre yung recording meron kikitain. Pero you always need to think sa future mo eh.
Okay.
Kasi let's face it, maganda yon. Lahat naman ng banda gusto yun. Pero we need to be secure.
Okay.
Not for ourselves, but for our family.
Okay, so this is something that's not for the lifetime.
Maybe if we go back to Philippines for good,
I
we
see.
will do it. But
Tsaka, ano to eh, I mean, kung magiging isa yung decision ng band, you know.
Oh,
So kasi collective ano yan eh, decisions yun.
Nice. Nice.
So hindi rin makakapag-proceed yung band,
Nice.
I guess.
Chris, kasali ka.
Pero at this point naman, you guys enjoy what you're doing, even
Yeah.
it's mahirap.
Yes.
You're trying to find the balance between work and then yung mga gigs, yung mga gantong sessions. And by the way, we appreciate that you're here tonight. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Salamat.
Thank you.
And we have a lot of revelations pala, no? Dito lang sa QCast narinig nyo. Okay. Ano, may tanong ka pa?
Hindi, ako gusto ko lang banggitin.
Go ahead.
Yung na nagsabi na good answer daw. Yung answer niya, o di ba? Jindra Marie, watching from Seoul City.
Thank you, thank
O,
you.
diba?
Our team engineers, ang nagagandahang team
Saka
engineers.
good answer din daw, sabi ni Jason D. Wala talagang nagre-react
Oh,
sila.
verification.
Mababait sila, no?
Oh, nagre-react sila. Ito, meron ng from Japan, Marjorie Chen D, Lay Denise Miguel from Olongapo City, San
Konnichiwa.
Diego City, California. O, di ba?
Thank you po.
Ano pa ba?
How did you, by the way, sorry.
Sige lang.
How did you start this BB Army? Sino yung nag-spearhead nito? Sino yung nagsimula nito?
Actually, nag-start siya nung meron kaming unang nirelease na kanta before. Tapos, meron nakagusto na taga Kuwait.
Okay.
Tapos naririnig namin siya sa kabayan na rin.
Oh, I see, I see.
Then, nagkaroon kami ng communication via messenger. Then, yun, nagtuloy-tuloy na siya. Then, suddenly, yung isang friend natin is sa makabilang buhay.
Uh-huh.
Joyce,
Rest in peace.
kamusta? And because of that, yung mga friends niya na kakilala siya from Korea, from Bahrain, then nag-start na
I
siya.
see.
Nakakatuwa, no? Kasi ang dami. Ang
Tapos yung
dami-dami.
BB Armies, yung salitang BB Armies, hindi ko na rin matandaan kung paano siya.
Di kaya kinuha yun from the BTS Army?
BTS Army.
Tama ba?
Oo, parang
Probably.
ganun.
Kasi yung hype ng BTS before eh.
True.
BB
Pag
Army.
ano kasi ginamit na lang armies. Marami kasi like so yung Slap Shack, Slap Armies.
Oh, I see, I see.
Marami kasi talagang mga solid namin na friends, supporters lalo na sa Team Kuwait, yan, sila
I see.
sila Miss Janeline Irish, sila Patrick, sila Tol Jason, yan, sila Miss Grace. Lahat sa inyo diyan, maraming salamat. Siyempre kay Joyce and sa lahat po ng BB Armies, maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Ayun.
Okay, let's talk about your regular gigs dito sa Doha. You wanna promote anything?
Yeah.
Actually, right now, mas focus kami meron kasi kami ginagawang dalawang kanta and hopefully by end of this month, yeah, end of this month is ma-release namin.
I see.
And
Okay.
then, probably some guesting pero sa mga gigs siguro alam na kami.
Alright.
Kasi meron din kami mga TikTok live, meron din kami Facebook live. So, doon muna.
Yung social media nyo, ano yung mga social media accounts nyo?
Yeah.
For people to follow. You have Instagram.
Talaga sumagot kasi mali. Kasi nung nag-wish kami, binaliktad ko lahat.
Kaya pala wala nag-follow, no? Ano yun?
Yan sa Facebook yung namin, yung initials ng band, BLNC BLVD.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we have our TikTok din. Ganon din. Ganon din.
Okay, so follow them on TikTok and Instagram, Blank Boulevard, BLNC and BLVD. Okay, look for them. You post daily doon sa mga, or pag naisipan lang, parang ako. Naisipan ko lang, may ibang post ako. I see. Alright, and then
Dami naman po.
Kasi as much as possible gusto namin laging active yung page. So sometimes pagka siyempre busy yung banda, naglalagay kami ng kahit na solo performance.
Okay.
Just to make sure na yung supporters is hindi sila na kumbaga parang nalulungkot kasi medyo pagka wala kaming post. Medyo
I see.
na-apektuhan din sila.
sige. Okay, we'll take a quick break and once we're back, you'll be giving us your final song.
Yes,
All right.
these are our original latest
Yes.
song.
Tsaka
Alright.
mga shoutouts pang iba.
Yes, we'll do the shoutouts later, of course. If you wanna announce anything, mga future, mga gigs nyo, okay, we'll do that after the break. So you guys stay where you are.
Take a break. We'll be right back.
This is LHH, Loving Heaven High. All deserve the love, no matter what the color of your skin. All deserve with unconditional love and care. Up heaven high, hell down below. If we just give it into the love, give it into all the storm. I'm a living soul, and I'm breathing this love to you. Loving heaven high, take me on your side and don't let go. Show me the sky and never leave me alone. I know that you were tired living in this crazy life. Into the light, may you find peace inside. Please don't lose all your hope. Be patient. patient and just wait for His Son. In this challenging ways, we can overcome this time. Loving heaven high, take me on your side and don't let go. Saw me in the sky, and never leave me alone. In these challenging ways, we can overcome this time. Loving heaven high, take me on your side and don't let go. Saw me in the sky and never leave me alone. Loving heaven high, take me on your side and don't let go. Saw me in the sky and never leave me alone. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat.
All right. Once again, Black Boulevard, live on Q and Ting Talk Show.
Yes.
Live at Maharlika Park Restaurant. Thank you so much again to all the diners tonight. I hope you're having a great time outside. Yeah, dun sa kabila. And thank you, Black Boulevard, for giving us a treat. Maraming salamat. Okay. Woo. All right. Sige. Proceed na tayo sa ating mga shout-outs before we finally close the show, our podcast of third episode. Go ahead. We have a lot of people greeting us. By the way, before we go there, what was the song? What's the title of the song again?
The title of the song is Loving Heaven High, pero mas kilala nila yung kanta sa LHH.
LHH.
Nakaka-LSS yung LHH.
Ganda, no?
Oo.
Ganda, ganda.
Catchy siya.
Ganda.
Ako po, salamat po, salamat.
Yeah, yeah. When is it gonna be aired? Naka-air na siya?
Siya yung number one ngayon.
Oh, sorry.
And it's actually it's actually a song
Ako sa'yo.
by composed by Tol Chris.
Ayun.
Maganda. I appreciate it. Maganda siya. Medyo catchy siya at the same
Catchy.
time. Modern pakinggan, di ba? Hindi siya, pwede siya sa mga millennials, siya sa mga Gen Z. That type of music, di ba? Sorry. I stopped listening to the radio.
Nakita ko lang kanina, sabi ko nga
Yeah.
sa'yo, ni-research ko siya.
Yeah.
Kasi
Anyway.
nakikita ko rin siya eh.
Correct.
Loving Heaven High.
Yeah. I'm actually, I knew about the band, yung Black Boulevard, sa Kabayan din.
Yes.
Yeah. Because I was,
Salamat po.
yeah, I was once part of that station. Yeah. John, good evening. If you're watching right now, bro.
Shout out, Kabayan family. Shout out
Yes.
po sa inyo.
All right.
Salamat po.
Okay, let's go ahead with the shout-outs.
Ayan.
Ikaw muna, Ting.
Mag-shoutout ako kay, kay Sir Alan de
Sir
Ocampo.
Alan!
Yes.
Yan, happy birthday!
Yan. Ayun.
Sorry, we can't make it tonight. I'm
Ayun.
just so preoccupied. Anyway, maraming salamat salamat Sir Alan for the venue, by the way.
Thank you.
Okay. To Yan, happy birthday. Who else do we have?
Sino pa ba?
Sige.
Ayan, magbabasa ako dito. So, Miriam Milyari, good luck BB Army. Sana top 1 ulit.
Yeah.
Kasi last week yun siya top 1. Ngayon yata medyo bumaba siya, pero top 1 pa rin yan. Samantha Kyle Smith from San Francisco, Carlo De La Rosa from Taipei. Ayan, Team Oakland din, Rodel Del Rosario. At saka gusto ko na palang batiin ang aking mga kuya at ate, Qatar Black Gold sa Patila Eagles Club.
Yes. Hi to Chloe. Hi to RJ Chloe. She's
Yes,
here.
RJ Chloe.
Outside. She's having a dinner right now. Hi, Mom. If you're
Ayun.
watching, thank you so much. From QBS Radio. Also a former of Kabayan.
Good evening po.
Ayan.
Good evening po sa inyo.
Yes. And also to Luis Boises. Congrats
yes.
pa din. Yeah. He competed in the 169. Am I correct? 169?
Hindi ako sure.
174. Sorry. I'm so behind.
174 na.
174 championships in
174.
Korea. Tama ba?
Hindi ba Thailand?
Thailand.
Okay. Yes, Thailand. Ayan.
Congrats pa din. And
Yes.
it may not be your luck this year.
Yeah.
Just keep fighting.
Yes.
You'll never know. Next time might be yours na. Okay. Anybody you want to greet? Black Boulevard. Kayo. Yung mga gusto yung pasalamatan.
Ayan. Handa bang
Mauna na kayo kasi mahaba
Go
yun.
ahead.
Yung pala yung pinapakita ni Mike kanina sa akin.
Ipalala ko lang sa inyo. Isang oras na tayong overtime. Go ahead. Anyway, let's maximize it.
Unang-una sa lahat, maraming salamat sa lahat ng nanood sa QCast. Maraming
Thank you.
salamat po sa
Thank you as well.
opportunity sa Maharlika.
Sa Ting Talk Show.
Park Restaurant.
Ting Talk Show.
Maraming salamat po sa inyo. And again, sa Middle East Team BB Armies, maraming salamat po. Alzur, Team Neo of Kuwait, J-Friends ng Team Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Saudi, Bahrain, Qatar, Oman. And sa Southeast Asia, Team BB Armies,
Grabe, daming
Team
fans.
Pinas, Team Engineers of South Korea, Team Hong Kong, Team Taiwan, Team Japan, and Team Singapore. Then meron din po tayo sa Team Europe BB Armies. Maraming salamat po. Team Italy, UK, and Ireland. Siyempre meron tayong Team US of A
Wow.
BB Armies. Team Loyola Cousins ng San Jose, California. Team
Dami.
Sacramento, Team San Diego, Team Chicago, and Team Nurses of San Francisco. Then meron din po tayo mga Team Nurses sa Melbourne, Team Nurses of Oakland. Siyempre, maraming salamat sa inyo. Team Canada, BB Armies, Team Vancouver, Team Ontario, Team Montreal. And lastly, shoutout po sa 37,000 followers natin sa TikTok. Maraming salamat sa support ninyo. Middle East, TikTokers, US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Japan, Singapore, Denmark, and sa Team Philippines. Special mention sa mga live streamers na laging nagpo-promote sa band. Si Janner's Vlog, maraming salamat. Marson, Camille and Debs, and syempre sa Team Neo and Team 5 Papren. And syempre maraming salamat po sa lahat ng suporta sa amin sa Kabayan Radio at sa mga family po namin. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Yes. Alright, may time pa tayo. Kayo, sir. Anyone else? Ayun, yung microphone mo nasa floor. Di kaya ng cable, maigsi. Ayun.
Binabati ko lang yung mga Team Davao at saka Team Bacolod.
Ayan.
Sa family ko sa Davao.
Madaling araw na dun, tama ba?
Kaya nga.
Yeah, madaling araw na.
Nagpuyat sila para sa inyo.
Sa lahat ng mga
Okay.
brethren sa MCGI.
Alright.
Ayun, sinabi na lahat yung BB Armies and then sa inyo, Sir
Libre
Sky,
niyo ako.
SG, me, and Ting Talk.
Yes.
And then QCast.
Thank you. No
Shoutout ko
problem.
lang si Mrs. tsaka si
Ayun.
kids.
Yun.
Uwi na kagad ako, wag niyo
Siya nga pala, ayan shoutout sa iyo, Tol Genoms and Tol Mario, ang aming basis at ang aming written.
Yes. Sayang, no? You should have completed the band.
Again, Ting Talks and Tol Francis,
Thank you.
RJ Francis, maraming
No
salamat.
problem.
And Tol Sky, maraming salamat sa iyo.
Yes. It's always my aim to promote Filipino artists here in Doha. That's actually one of the objectives of QCast, to give this platform to those who deserve it most. Yung mga uprising, upcoming, whether you're
Yes.
part of a bigger stage or small, as long as we see that you're actually fitting in dito sa ating platform. And then at the same time, gusto namin na ibigay ito kasi it's one way for us to reach out to all the people in the world to know more about you as a band, as an individual, ano yung mga iba-ibang iba-ibang bagay about you so people could know more about you. And of course, para rin ma-promote yung music.
True.
That's actually the main objective of QCast.
Thank you, QCast. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat din for your presence. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Any final words to all our listeners or listeners? I feel like I'm back on the radio.
Yes.
Yung ating mga viewers, yung mga final message sa kanila sa mga bands na pabuo pa lang, ano yung pwede yung sabihin sa kanila right now? Any advice? Parting message kumbaga. Yeah.
Sa mga aspiring bands at sa mga kapalit natin sa industriya dito sa Qatar, tuloy nyo lang yung ginagawa nyo at enjoy. And
Yes.
I'm sure makukuha nyo yung gusto nyo makuha. Maybe more than us.
Yeah.
Hopefully. And bubuhayin natin ang music industry dito sa Qatar.
Right. Sir,
Wala na, ikaw.
are you sure? Ikaw po.
Ano lang yan sa...
Maraming salamat po. BB Armies sa family life. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. God bless. Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Lord.
Ayun.
Miss Ting.
Thank you so much for having me on Q, RJ Francis and QCast. And maraming salamat. Babatiin ko ang lahat ng mga staff ng Maharlika Park
Yeah.
Restaurant. And
They have to go overtime because of us.
Ayan. At saka sa Blanc Boulevard.
Boulevard.
Ayan, nakakatuwa talaga.
Ayun.
Nakakatuwa sa amin yung sinabi ang
Yeah.
inyong mga hindi nasabi dati.
It's our pride now
Yes,
that
it's
we
our
knew it
pride.
first here.
Yes.
Salamat po on the show.
Thank you so much.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much again, Blanc Boulevard, Miss Ting of Ting Talk Show, and of course, we would like to thank as well our sponsors for tonight: SG Media Company, Maharlika Park Restaurant, Manoks to Go, also to Worldwide Travels, Miss Christine Chi. Thank you so much. for
Thank
the
you.
assistance.
Thank you.
And don't forget, follow us on Facebook. Chan Chan. Also to Sir Jeremiah Studio, by the way.
Jeremiah
Jeremiah.
Studio. Chan Chan Junjun Molina.
Maraming salamat. Tol, thank you so much for the assistance. Junjun, he was here. And don't forget to like us on Facebook. It's at QCast. You can also follow me on TikTok at QCast, and of course Instagram is also there. So we'll be posting some highlights of this show for tonight. And we hope you guys are safe. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po. This has been Francis, Miss Ting, and of course Blanc Boulevard. Thank you. God bless you all. Have a blessed, what is it?
Let's go!
Have a blessed evening.
Ayan, hi to
Pati-
Caleb.
Caleb.
Watching live.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you. Maraming salamat po. Thank you.
Yes. See you again next time, live on Q.
And that's on cue for today. See you again next time.